Guys, this is my puppy. Look at how cute he is. Come here. Come on, roll over. Roll over and be a T-Rex again. Be a T-Rex again. Come on. Do it. I command you. Come on, roll over. There you go. There you go. You're getting there. Be a T-Rex. No, don't. Can I have a kiss? Mwah, thank you. Oh my, getting some action from my dog. Come on. Roll over and be a T-Rex. That was cute. That was cute. Come on, roll over and be a T-Rex. Come on. Come on. Really? You're not gonna do it? Not even if I scratch your belly. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got one arm. Got one arm. Got one. Oh, there you go. 2 T-Rexes. There you go. You look like a little dinosaur. You look like a little T-Rex. Big head, little. Look at your little arms. Look at your little arms. You're gonna go like terrorize a city. Oh, such a cutie. Such a cutie with your speckled belly. Such a cutie. Such a cutie. So cute. So precious. Where are you going? Can you get a camera kiss? Wait, give a kiss. No? Don't love the camera? Camera sure. Oh, good boy. Give the camera a kiss. Give it another kiss. Give it a kiss. You don't want to give it a kiss? You know? That's okay. You know, you don't have to give it a kiss. What do you want? What do you want? Can't help you because you can't go outside. There's a hurricane going on. If you go outside, it's bad. Is that what you want? I'll go out there with an umbrella. That's what you want? Oh, Sirius? Really? Alright, well, I'm gonna talk to Mommy. Okay? Let's go talk to Mommy. Okay?